And now, your first alert weather.
Take a live look right now in Idaho Falls. You got the cloud cover, the fog coming back in. It's been really cloudy today in the upper valley. We've actually seen a little sunshine in the lower valley. We've got 24 degrees right now in IF, winds out of the northeast at 7 miles an hour, and we are getting a few flakes out of these clouds and foggy conditions in the upper valley right now. But we're still waiting for some snowy weather to get in here for tomorrow. In fact, we're going to start seeing some of the snow and rain getting into western Idaho tonight. We're just starting to see hints of this wet weather getting into eastern Oregon there, just starting to cross over into Idaho over the next hour or so. Locally, we don't have any advisories for the Snake River Plain, but we do have a winter weather advisory for Jackson and the surrounding areas there for the mountains and Jackson Hole Valley, and then also right through Star Valley, also under a winter weather advisory. But that's about it locally for any watches or warnings or alerts. But we are expecting to see messy conditions for tomorrow morning's commute as the storm system slides on in from the west coast, and it's got a good fetch of moisture that's starting to pull in the cloud cover already for western and central Idaho. The center of that storm is going to head to the south. It's going to be right over Nevada and Utah as we get into your Thursday, and this is going to produce some heavier bands of snowfall locally for eastern Idaho and western Wyoming. The storm clears out pretty quickly getting into Friday. Friday's kind of a day of rest, if you will. We're going to be sitting in between systems. The system's going to swing further out to the east and deliver more rain and snow showers in that direction. And then we're going to work in some wet weather coming in for Friday night and Saturday. This is going to put down some snow out of the northwest for Saturday and Sunday. However, this storm for Saturday, it's coming at a different direction. It's not packing quite a wallop in terms of snowfall, but there's some snow that we'll try to work in for the weekend. So we do have some snow out there tonight. We're expecting to see the snow really starting to pick up in the overnight hours. Your winds will be at 10 to 15 miles per hour here for tomorrow, and more scattered snow showers for your Saturday and Sunday. Let's get over to VIPIRcast. We'll see here snow showers working in from the west tonight, overnight into tomorrow morning. The snow starts to pick up with more, I would say, intensity as we get into the late morning hours. You're even seeing a rain-snow mix, kind of a slushy drive there from Burley out towards Boise. So if you're going to be taking a trek out to Boise, watch out for some slushy conditions. As you get past American Falls, I'm expecting it to be mostly snow all the way up into eastern Idaho and into the upper valley especially. We go into midday tomorrow. We're still stuck with the snow. We'll start to see the snow begin to thin out by tomorrow afternoon in central Idaho, and then the snow just kind of still hanging out all day long into good chunks of eastern Idaho. By tomorrow night, we begin to see just some mountain snow showers. It clears out for Friday. It's going to be cold. It's going to be cloudy with a few flurries left over for Friday. And here's a look at the snowfall amounts as we roll into your Thursday. We could be looking at anywhere from about 1 to 2 inches in Blackfoot, with about 2 to 4 inches, maybe even 4 inches in Idaho Falls and Rexburg. The models are kind of going back and forth on this. Sometimes they put more snow in Rexburg than Idaho Falls, but in the upper valley, Idaho Falls north, we're going to get, it looks like, some good snow here. Even around Pocatello, we could wind up with a couple of inches here, about 2 to 4 inch range there, and we could be pushing, of course, some higher snowfall amounts as you get into Sun Valley and Ketchum. Temperatures will be around 23 tonight in Lava. We'll be about 16 tonight in Montpelier, still into the teens and 20s, highs into the 30s tomorrow, but it's of course going to just be cold, windy, and wet outside no matter where you are in our viewing area. 32 for Jackson. We got 34 for Rexburg for the high, 36 in Salmon, 36 in Arco, with highs in Idaho Falls at 34, 37 in Pocatello, 38 in Burley. In that extended forecast, we'll see off and on snow showers to carry us into your Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures are going to try to warm back into those mid to upper 30s by Monday as we have a little bit of some warmer air trying to get in here from the southwest. But we expect to see temperatures then falling into the middle part of next week as we get some colder air working down from the north. Pocatello, 32 for the high Friday, 35 on Saturday. Then we're hanging out into those mid to upper 30s, even close to 40 degrees on Monday, before some chilly air slides in from the north as we get closer to Wednesday and Thursday for next week. Blackfoot, a high here of 35 for Thursday, 29 on Friday. This weekend, we're seeing spotty snow showers for both Saturday and Sunday with highs into the low to mid 30s. As we go into Rexburg, which is pretty foggy right there on the sky cam, we got 34 degrees right now outside for the high tomorrow, 26 for the high though on Friday as cold air comes in on the backside of Thursday's storm, and we'll be hanging into the lower 30s for Saturday and Sunday. We could see kind of also a rain snow mix around Salmon, even some freezing rain, so we're going to call it icy at times there in portions of Lemhi County with highs around 36 for tomorrow, down to about a 33 on Friday, 30s and 40s for Saturday and Sunday. Jackson, snowy all the way through the weekend, and we'll even see some snow showers into the early half of next week with temperatures warming into those mid 30s. So Todd, brace yourselves. It's still going to be just pretty messy as we go through Thursday, Friday, and Saturday and Sunday.
Okay, we'll be ready. Thanks, Michael.